Welcome back. I am again here with a video on articles part 2. In the previous video we learned about the basic uses of the articles and the, and in this video we will learn about the other uses of the article the and also the omission of the articles. I hope you will like the video and understand the concept of articles. And before I begin the lesson, I want you to watch my previous video also, that is article part 1, for better understanding, and the link is given in the description box. Thank you.
So let's begin our lesson, articles part 2, in which you will learn the other uses of article the and also when to use or not to use the. So first let us recall what we learned in our previous video, the 4 basic uses of the. So use the after you have already mentioned someone or something for the first time, or if the context tells the listener which object or a person you are talking about. For example, the rainbow was beautiful. The optician examined my eyes. The examination was very long. Use the when there is only one of someone or something or unique thing. Like the British Prime Minister is visiting Japan. The moon is very bright today. Use the with superlative adjectives and ordinal numbers. For example, the highest mountain, the most interesting point, the first page, the 23rd letter. Use the with adjectives of quality to represent a category of people or to represent a whole class of animals or things. Like the rich should help the poor. The brave are admired. The cow gives us milk. The camel rarely drinks water. Now let's see the other uses of the. So the is used before the names of holy books like the Vedas, the Puranas, the Ramayana, the Bible. It is also used before the names of the musical instruments like flute, the piano, before the newspapers like the Hindu, the Statesman, then before the names of whole family like the Khans, the Sharmas, then before the names of well-known buildings like the Lotus Temple, the Taj Mahal, before the countries that have the words like republic, kingdom or states, like the United States, the United Kingdom, then before the trains, ships, aeroplane, like the Shatabdi Express, the Ashoka, then before the seas and oceans, like the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, then before the mountain ranges like the Vindhyas, the Aravalis, then before the rivers like the Yamuna, the Nile. Now we will learn about where we have to omit the articles, like omission of articles. So we do not use articles before names of substances and abstract nouns, that is uncountable nouns used in a general sense, as sugar is bad for your teeth. Now here sugar is uncountable noun. Gold is a precious metal. Now here gold represents a substance, or we can say a material. So here we don't use article. Honesty is the best policy. Now here honesty is the abstract noun. So here we will not use the article. Now plural nouns, when they denote a class, like animals can also be friendly. Now here we are talking about a whole class of animals. Now we don't use article before most proper nouns, namely names of people like Raj, Nidhi. We don't say the Raj or the Nidhi. Then names of continents, countries, cities like Europe, India, Nagpur. Here we don't use the. Then names of individual mountains like Mount Everest. So here also we will omit the article. Individual islands, lakes, hills, etc. So before these all names we don't use article. Then before names of meals which are used in a general sense, like dinner is ready. Now we are talking about talking in a general way. So we don't use the. What time do you have lunch? So here also before lunch we will not use article. Now articles with proper noun. We know that we don't use articles with proper noun, like we say Shakespeare was a great dramatist, or Mumbai is the biggest city of India. However, if a proper noun is used like a common noun, it may need a, an, or the with that. Here we have to use articles. For example, we need a Gandhi to solve our problems. Same way, Sachin Tendulkar is the Bradman of India. So here we need to use an article. Now, we don't use article before languages like English, French, Marathi, etc. So we'll say we are studying English, not the or the English. They speak Marathi at home. So we'll not use a Marathi or the Marathi. Same way, we don't use article before school, college, university, church, with hospital or prison, when these places are visited or used for their primary purpose. Like we go to church on Sunday. So this is, we are talking about in a general way. Mayank is still in hospital. So here we will not use articles. Now we don't use article before names of relations like father, mother, uncle, cook or nurse. Now here we mean our cook or our nurse or our father, my uncle. So we don't use, like father has returned. Aunt wants you to see her. Cook has given notice. Now we don't use articles with the names of diseases like typhoid, malaria, but we use the with measles, mumps. So we'll say the measles, the mumps, but not the typhoid or the malaria. Now with the names of days, months and seasons, we don't use articles. Like Sunday is a holiday. Spring is a season of great rejoicing. Our school is closed for summer vacation in June. So here June, spring and Sunday, we will omit article. We not use article before these words. Then in headlines, notices, email messages, etc., we ignore to use the articles like President inaugurates trade fair. Come for interview 15th July. Now just see how the use or omission of an article changes the meaning. See, there are two pictures. So in first, the man is sitting in the front of the car, and you will see the second picture, the man is sitting in front of the car. So here you will observe that how the meaning changes if we use wrong article. So I hope it is clear. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel.